What is the capital city of Guinea-Bissau, the West African country located along the Atlantic coast? Baku, Lusaka, Beirut, Bissau. The correct answer is Bissau. What is the title of the autobiography written by comedian Steve Martin? Born Standing Up, A Comic's Life. Giant Steps. Seriously. I'm kidding. That's not all, folks. The correct answer is Born Standing Up, A Comic's Life. How many children did the legendary Egyptian Queen Cleopatra have? 2, 4, 6, 5. The correct answer is 4. What scientific name has been suggested by some researchers for Bigfoot? Homo sapiens, Homo neanderthalensis, Gigantopithecus, Homo erectus. The correct answer is Gigantopithecus. Which industry commonly uses cadmium plating to prevent corrosion? Automotive, textile, pharmaceutical, agriculture. The correct answer is automotive. Which actor won back-to-back Best Actor Oscars for Philadelphia and Forrest Gump? Sean Penn, Dustin Hoffman, Tom Hanks, Robert De Niro. The correct answer is Tom Hanks. The Cascadia Subduction Zone, a major area within the Ring of Fire, lies off the western coast of which continent? North America, South America, Asia, Europe. The correct answer is North America. On the Mohs scale of mineral toughness, how hard is a fiery ruby? 4, 7, 9, 10. The correct answer is 9. Which country is the world's largest archipelago nation? Philippines, Indonesia, Japan, Greece. The correct answer is Indonesia. Lake Baikal in Russia is famous for being the world's highest altitude lake, oldest and deepest lake, saltiest lake, largest lake by area. The correct answer is oldest and deepest lake. Which mammal is the only one that can truly take to the skies in powered flight? Flying squirrel, bat, sugar glider, colugo. The correct answer is bat. What is the name of the galaxy that contains our solar system? Andromeda, Milky Way, Triangulum, Whirlpool. The correct answer is Milky Way. Which vitamin is found abundantly in citrus fruits? Vitamin A, Vitamin B, Vitamin C, Vitamin D. The correct answer is Vitamin C. What is the common name for dried plums? Dates, figs, prunes, raisins. The correct answer is prunes. Which color is most commonly used by food companies to attract customer attention? Green, blue, yellow, red. The correct answer is red.